It is our 7th day of March. I said it wrong yesterday. Yesterday I said the wrong day. I hope you forgive me. It is Crazy Quilty March. I'm Pat Sloan, and it is the 7th. It is Saturday, which on our nifty calendar that I have for you is what? Machine love. We have to love our machines today. Okay, so get out your babies. Give them a big kiss. All right, but we're going to do a little bit more than that. So many of you have more than one machine, like me. So this is my Jubilant, which is my smaller machine. It's a more of a travel size, or I can use it if I've got something else like this. Say the embroidery unit is going on the Solaris. I can use the Jubilant to do my patchwork, my applique, even some machine quilting. It's got a little bit smaller opening, but it still works perfectly well for that. But it needs to have a little cleaning. I haven't cleaned it. I haven't changed the needle lately. So today, what you need to do is on a machine, any machine, pick a machine, do all your machines. You need to give them a little love. So clean them. And I have recently, I'm going to show you some of my cleaning tools that I use. I like these little brushes. They're very tiny. Tiny little micro heads. I like that because I can go down a little bit further. I can see the dust bunnies down past where the bobbin goes, and so these fit down there, and they're a little bit pliable. They're plastic, so they're a little bit bendable. I also like these really soft brushes. So these are nice because there's some delicate areas that I want to get a little bit closer. So I like those. And then for years, and it looks ugly, so you can see that I have this paintbrush that I use that I can get in there, and I actually, oops, there's just a dust bunny went flying out of that paintbrush. So sorry, dust. So those are to get down and get everything cleaned out. Then I want you, if you have not changed your needle lately, and if you come from the camp of, well, the needle didn't break, I don't need to change it. Okay, today you will be reborn as a person who changes their needles. So I use Schmetz needles, and I'll link you to these things down under the video so you can go over and see what they're all about. But I've been using these Microtex lately, and I really like them. So Schmetz needles. But today is Love Your Machine Day. If you've got one of your machines that you have not used lately, I would highly recommend you get it out, clean it, oil it, change a needle, run it a little bit, be sure it's sounding okay. I do have one of those as well that I think I'm going to fire up just because I have not run it for a while. It's my Sashiko machine. So we'll see if I get to that. I'm going to do the Jubilant first because this one I do use more often. I keep it here in my studio. Okay, so that's your Saturday challenge and if you have all your machines cleaned, hey, good for you. It's like you get the day off for challenges, or you go do something fun. Go buy some fabric, do something fun. I'm Pat Sloan. I love you. Thank you for being here for my Crazy Quilty March. I'm just having a blast doing these little videos every day and seeing everything that you are doing. It is so much fun. Tell me in the comments if you love it, okay? I love you. We'll see you online.